Let me check if it is recording. It's recording now. So the pressure at point A equals to 0. Let me box it. All right, so at point B. At point B. All right, so the pressure is the specific weight of the oil times the height of the oil, right? This is the formula. Then the pressure at point B will be, gamma oil is right here, okay? Let's use this number, 8.83, okay, kilonewton per meter cube. Let's scroll down, okay. Actually, did it go up? 8.83 kilonewton per meter cube times the height. All right, so we have this much of oil, right, pushing the B down, right? We have this much of oil just above point B. So we have to really consider what we have above point B, which is 3 meters only, right? So the H is 3, therefore 8.83 times 3 meters. Then the pressure at point B will be equal to 26.5 kilonewton per meter square, because this meter and one of the meter from there cancel out, right? And then we will have 26.5 kilonewton per meter square. Now at point C, like the same logic, the pressure is calculated by gamma oil times H oil. PC equals to gamma oil is 8.83 kilonewton per meter cube times the height. Okay, now the height, look, we have 6 meters, right? This is the 6 meters, 3 plus 3, right? From A to B is 3 meters, B to C is another 3 meters, so the total 6 meters. So it's going to be 8.83 times 6. PC equals to 53 kilonewton per meter square. All right, at point D. All right, so this is one of the points where people make a mistake usually, okay? So you might think that we have more liquids above D, right? We have more of them. Now let me use the green color in here, right? So people think that at this point, at point D, the pressure is greater than point B. But this is not true. If this is true, if let's say that the pressure at point D is greater than pressure at point B, then that pressure difference should push the B up, right? But now nothing is moving. Everything is stable, right? Therefore, since B and D are on the same level, the pressures must be the same. PB must be equal to PD, okay? So let's take a note. PB equals to, scroll down, PD, and B was 26.5. kilonewton per meter square. I think so. All right, now let's look at point E. Let's go up to the picture. Where is E? All right, so the same logic, right? Even though we don't have any liquids above A, but we have oil above point E, it doesn't matter, okay? The pressures must be the same. If we say that the pressure at point E is greater than the pressure at point A, then like the point A should be pushed up, okay? But it's stable, it's not moving, right? So PE and PA are the same. PE equals to PA, and we said that pressure at point A, it was 0, right? It's right there. We said that it's 0, therefore PE is 0 too. And finally, the last point, it's point F, right? All right, so this is another tricky point, because like when we calculated the pressure at B, C, or D, we said that all the heights are positive, right? So we said that for the pressure B, the height was 3 meters, right? So for pressure C, we said that the height was 6 meters. So we said that anything below this line, the heights are considered as a plus, the positive number. Therefore, Sam, 1.5 meter would be negative. That's correct. Perfect. So anything above this point must be a negative height. So it should be negative 1.5 meters. Okay. So thank you, Sam. That's correct. Then at point F, let me go down and let me finish the calculation. PF equals to gamma oil times H oil. PF equals to, what was gamma oil? 8 points. What was that? 8.83. 8.83 kilonewton per meter cube times, all right, the height is negative 1.5 meter. Okay. Then the pressure at point F is negative 13.2 kilonewton per meter square. That's it. Okay. So is this clear to everybody? Any questions, any confusions, or any comments? No. Okay, hopefully it makes sense to you guys. So next week we are meeting on Monday, right? I'm going to give you guys the quiz, another quiz. We already gave you the first one, right, on Monday, last Monday. So I'm going to give you guys quiz on manometers and the barometers. Okay, probably it's not going to be something very complicated, but expect a quiz, on Monday. And I was also planning to give you guys a project today, but let me postpone the project to the next week as well. Okay, no project today, because I want to start the chapter 4. Okay, and so next time when we meet, there will be a quiz, most probably, and a project. Okay, so before you guys leave, let me take the attendance.
So we will be in person next time?
Yes. It looks so. So now it looks so it's going to be in person. If something, comes up, or if we make the changes, I will make an announcement. But yes, it's in person, looks like. Okay. Okay, so Abdul Latif is here. David is here. Kristen is here. Jordany, absent. Jinhu is here. AJ is here. Joseph is here. Alexander is here. Edmund is here. Mado is here, I know. And Ryan, absent, right? Ryan Mangle, absent. Sam is here. Alexander Maki here. Christopher is here. Paul is here. Husley, he was in here earlier. But he's not in here now. David Shak here. And Alvin, we are here too. Alright, so just let me very quickly read the names who are marked as absent. Jordany, Ryan, and Husley. The rest of the class is present in here. Alright. Okay, guys, so thank you very much for your participation, and please look for the Blackboard announcements. If I don't make an announcement, it means that we are in person on Monday. Please review the notes for the manometers and the barometers for the quiz, okay? So take care, guys.